Hello YouTubers, this is my new Lego gumball machine that I made yesterday in the evening. This is the coin, just take 20 cents or 10 cents, put it in the coin slide, then you push the lever, you can push it now, no coin there. Then the gumball rolls out here in the gumball catcher. Nice Netherlands design. Red, white, blue. It's a Netherlands flag. Then you take the coin with this key, stick him in, take out. Just simple. So you put in the coin, push the gumball. I used the metal ball now, just some marbles in, can check out. So, take the coin, I just like that. Can push the button. Yellow ball. Can push. Yellow ball. Can push. Blue ball. And it can go up to 20 rounds. They're still in, but it's a little boring to show that. So I'll just show you to reload it. You have this hole here. Put the gumballs in. It's not very hard. Just put in. Just put it in. I'll give you a 360 view. I'll see you in the next video. I'll show you mechanism. Bye.